A recent surge in manufacturing means more products are being made here in North America and creating new jobs and driving economic growth. Here to tell us how this trend directly impacts our daily lives is Matthew Chang, the founder of Chang Robotics. Hello, how are you?
Hey, Farron. I'm doing great. Good to be here.
Good. I want to hear more about how Chang Robotics is really revolutionizing technology and how people can see that play out in our lives.
Right. Well, what we're trying to do is take robotics and bring it to the workforce. And so if we can empower the American worker with robotics and technology, then we can accomplish more as a country.
Yeah, and why is it that it seems like so many more things are being made in North America nowadays?
I'm an industry insider, and I can tell you that there's a huge reshoring theme right now. American companies are bringing their overseas factories and production back home to the U.S., and foreign companies are investing here to build new manufacturing capability. So what you're seeing is that we're producing more, and that means that it's good for the American worker, and there's careers in manufacturing right now.
Well, we like that. More jobs coming around for sure.
Right.
What are some other things as we look at like trickle effects of the good that comes from that?
Well, I think the biggest thing that you're going to see as we make more things here is lower cost of goods.
Ooh.
So we're right, and we have inflation. That's like one of our favorite things to talk about. So as we have lower cost of goods, and then also as workers are using technology to work in manufacturing, they're going to see higher wages. So it's kind of a double whammy where you get lower cost of goods, higher wages, and it's a win-win for the worker.
Yeah, and I feel like some of the jobs that happen in factories are hard to fill. So is that where robotics and that type of new technology come in play?
Yes, the jobs are hard to fill. There's lots of openings for manual work. And I think a lot of this has to do with generational trend. So you see the Gen Zs, they're not looking to do manual labor jobs. They want to work with technology. So if we can add technology to the workplace, then that's a cool place for them to go and work. Okay,
so break it down for me. What are some of the cool new things in technology that people can find in factories these days?
Well, our favorite is autonomous robots. And we have been designing and deploying autonomous robots in e-commerce, manufacturing, hospitals, and then coming later this year, Chang Robotics will be adding it to airports. So we think that's an exciting technology, and it's something that people can enjoy working with.
Gotcha. What do factories need to do to make sure that they are staying on top of things like this?
Be ready for the future. If nothing else, we know change is inevitable, and we're going to continue to see changes in consumer preferences, global supply chains, and all kind of disruptions in the future. So we need to future-proof our factories so that they can be ready for tomorrow.
Okay, I can tell that you're a forward-thinking guy, and I want to know, since we're still early in 2024, what do you see the future looking like for this year?
Well, for the rest of this year, I think we're going to see a continued awareness and adoption of advanced robotics, and we're going to see people get comfortable with them. As more and more workplaces incorporate them, it's going to become more commonplace, and I think people are going to start to enjoy working with robotics just like we enjoy working with computers now.
That's fantastic, and it's so interseamed into our everyday lives for sure.
That's right.
Matthew, thank you so much for talking with us today. We appreciate it.
Thanks, Farron.
Thank you. And you can get more information by visiting changrobotics.ai. Daytime will be right back.